Hello friend, climax is a literary device. Today in this slide we are going to see this last lines that is known as a climax. So climax is a literary device used by the writers in their work to present a fate of or what we can say the position of a protagonist in their story. Actually, climax in any literary work is a turning point that turns the story, that gives a different what we can say shade, what we cannot say turn to the story. So this is a climax, and it is one of the great device used by every writer in their literary work. See, I am going to read the line. The climax is the point of greatest interest in a narrative. Narrative means त्या साहित्यामध्ये किंवा त्या वर्कमध्ये, लिटररी टेक्स्टमध्ये, ग्रेटेस्ट इंटरेस्ट इन अ नरेटिव्ह, फॉर एक्झाम्पल फिक्शन ऑर ड्रामा, and is often the turning point of the story. स्टोरीचा टर्निंग पॉइंट with regard to the fate of the protagonist. With regard to the fate of the protagonist. So climax change. Climax change the fate of the protagonist. Climax change the story. See, so what is a climax? In a tragic play, climax is different. In a tragic play, the climax determines that the protagonist will have an unhappy ending, isn't it? Means in a tragic play, in a tragedy, we know that at the end all the characters, most probably the hero of that play, also died. So in a tragic play, the climax determines that the protagonist will have an unhappy ending, while in a comedy it is opposite, means a happy ending. In climax, in a comedy there will be happy ending. In modern drama, the climax usually appears only towards the end of the play. In modern drama, it appears at the end of the play. In Shakespearean drama, however, the climax is usually placed somewhere close to the middle of the play. For example, in Julius Caesar, the climax is the assassination scene, Act 3, Scene 1st. In Othello, it occurs when Othello is finally convinced of his wife's infidelity, Act 4th, Scene 1st. And in The Merchant of Venice, it is the trial scene, Act 4th, Scene 1st. Means Merchant of Venice is a comedy and earlier both are the tragedy. So this is the climax. Climax is a turning point, is a greatest interest that changes the future, that turns the story, that shows the fate of the character in the what we can say a tragedy. Climax shows that there is unhappy ending. In a comedy, climax shows that there is a happy ending. You got now what is a climax. Now we have to say, we have to study what is an anticlimax. What is an anticlimax? Climax shows the greatest point, shows the interest, tells the story. But what is an anticlimax? See, an anticlimax could be defined as a disappointing or ludicrous conclusion. Ludicrous conclusion to a series of noble or serious events. See, in Marathi, एखादी चांगली मोठी घटना, अभिमानास्पद घटनामध्ये कुठेतरी काहीतरी कॉमिक करणे, काहीतरी असं एक शुल्लक काहीतरी दाखवणे, that is known as anticlimax. See, in anticlimax, an anticlimax could be defined as, कशी भाषा दिली जाते, सॉरी त्याची डेफिनेशन, डिसअपॉइंटिंग और लुडिक्रॉस कन्क्लुजन. काय डेफिनेशन? डिसअपॉइंटिंग कन्क्लुजन और ludicrous conclusion, or we can say a comic conclusion to a series of novel or serious events. Example, Somerset Maugham's short story, The Man with the Scar. The Man with the Scar usually end in an anticlimax. This is the great example of anticlimax. 18th century literature often made deliberate use of the anticlimax. 18th century literature is most probably, I would like to state that, is a satire, and anticlimax is used in a satirical work. So, in 18th century literature, often made deliberate use of the anticlimax for satirical purposes. For example, Alexander Pope's The Rape of the Lock, well-known poem, Rape of the Lock, used anticlimax. See, two lines are given here from that poem. Not louder shrieks to pitying heaven are cast. See, not louder shrieks to pitying heaven are cast when husbands or when lapdogs breath their last. बघा, कुठल्या प्रकारचं कंपॅरिझन. एखादा डॉग मेल्यानंतर जेवढं दुःख त्या स्त्रीला होते तेवढं दुःख तिला पती मेल्यानंतर होत असते. बघा, दिस इज मीन्स पती मरण ही वेगळी घटना आहे, खूप त्याला सिरियस ऍक्शन आहे, परंतु त्याची तुलना लॅपडॉग सोबत केलेली आहे. सो दिस इज अ व्हॉट वी कॅन से अँटी क्लायमॅक्स, मीन्स that make it a comic. See, the death of a pet dog provokes the same reaction as the death of a husband. There is a sudden and intentional fall from the lofty to the trivial. The through this anticlimactic presentation of items, Pope satirizes his society's values. So these are the climax and anticlimax. Both are the literary devices used by the writer in their literary work. So thank you.